Hey, hello everyone. Here we are with you on one more English Mindset Lab episode. And no English Mindset Lab episode can exist without your favorite host, Maya.
Oh, thank you, Leo. Today is part 2 of our health series, as we promised. We are talking about my favorite topic, food.
But not just any food, healthy food. This is a very hot topic because everyone wants to feel better and have more energy.
Today's episode is special. It's longer, and we have a very cool session about food habits from around the world.
And don't worry about today's English. We will use simple words so everyone can follow. Let's start. Maya, when people hear healthy eating, they think of boring salads. Is that true?
No, Leo. Healthy eating is not about being bored. It's about fueling your body. Think of your body like a car. If you put bad fuel in a car, it won't run well.
So, what is good fuel?
We call it whole foods or real food. These are things that come from nature: fruits, vegetables, nuts, eggs, and fish.
And what should we avoid?
We should try to limit processed food. This is food that comes in a box or a bag with a lot of chemicals and sugar.
A simple rule for our beginners. If your great-grandmother wouldn't recognize it as food, maybe you shouldn't eat it.
That's a perfect rule.
Many people eat while watching TV or working. Is that a problem?
Yes, it's a big problem. We call this mindless eating. You eat, but you don't realize how much you are eating. I've heard a lot of people saying, I can't eat without watching TV, and I can't watch TV without eating.
So the opposite is mindful eating?
Exactly. It means sitting down, looking at your food, and chewing slowly. It helps your brain understand that you are full.
I also think cooking at home is a powerful mindset habit.
I agree. When you cook, you have control. You know exactly how much salt and oil you are using. It's the first step to a healthy life.
This is our special session. Maya, you traveled a lot. Which country has the best food mindset?
Let's start with Greece and the Mediterranean. They have the Mediterranean diet.
My favorite. Lots of olive oil, right?
Yes, olive oil is liquid gold. But also, they eat many legumes and fresh vegetables. The secret there is not just the food, but the social aspect. They eat with friends and family. It reduces stress.
What about Japan? They have the longest life expectancy in the world.
In Japan, they have a beautiful rule called Hara Hachi Bu.
What does that mean?
It means eat until you are 80% full. They don't eat until they are stuffed. They also eat a lot of fermented foods like miso, which is great for the stomach.
And let's look at the Nordic countries. Norway, Sweden, Denmark. It's cold there.
They eat a lot of berries, oily fish like salmon, and rye bread. Their secret is eating seasonally. They eat what the earth gives at that specific time of the year.
So, Mediterranean for healthy fats, Japan for portion control, and Nordic for seasonal eating. What a great mix! If someone wants to start today, what are 3 simple tips?
Tip number 1. Drink more water. Sometimes when we think we are hungry, we are actually just thirsty.
Tip number 2. Add, don't subtract. Instead of saying, I won't eat cake, say, I will add a salad to my dinner. It's a more positive mindset.
Tip number 3. Sleep. If you don't sleep well, your body will crave sugar the next day for energy. But we're going to say more about sleep on our special sleep episode that we have already promised you listeners.
Let's look at 10 must-know words from today's episode for our beginner and intermediate learners. This way, you will be able to know the basic healthy food mindset concepts. Nutrition. Noun. The process of getting the food necessary for health and growth. Processed. Adjective. Food that has been changed from its natural state. Ingredients. Noun. The different foods you mix together to make a dish. Legumes. Noun. Plants like beans, lentils, and peas. Crave. Verb. To have a very strong feeling that you want to eat something. Full. Adjective. The feeling when you have eaten enough food and cannot eat more. Portion. Noun. The amount of food served for one person. Seasonal. Adjective. Food that is available and fresh at a particular time of the year. Recipe. Noun. A set of instructions that tells you how to cook something. Fuel. Noun. Something that gives energy.
Let's practice 2 simple sentences for your daily life. I prefer to eat whole foods because they give me more energy throughout the day. The secret to a healthy lifestyle is consistency and cooking simple meals at home.
You all did great today. This was a long episode, but food is the foundation of our mindset.
Thank you for being part of the English Mindset Lab. Check the description for the list of global habits we discussed. Don't forget to subscribe and send this episode to a friend of yours who learns English.
Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us in the comments, which country's food habits do you like the most? Greece, Japan, or the Nordic countries?
Eat well, speak well, practice consistently. Goodbye.
Goodbye.